Hi, I'm Brendan Jones, Product Engineer here at Amphenol TPC Wire Cable, and today I'm excited to introduce to you one of the essential tools in our test lab, the rolling S-bend tester. This machine is designed to evaluate how our cables perform under repeated bending and flexing, simulating the mechanical stresses they experience in demanding industrial environments such as reeling applications. The rolling S-bend test is crucial to ensuring that our high-flex cables maintain integrity over time. It allows us to evaluate a cable's resistance to mechanical fatigue before it ever reaches your application. Here's how the test works. We strip back the cable jacket to expose the conductors and take initial resistance measurements. Then, the cable is mounted into the rollers. From there, we chain the conductors together in series and connect it to the terminals on each end of the machine to ensure electrical continuity during the test. Weights are attached to the ends of the cable to keep it tight and simulate tensile load. Next, we set the voltage and current to simulate the electrical load. Finally, we start the test, pushing the cable to its limits to determine its lifespan and durability. During testing, we analyze key performance factors, including conductor integrity and material fatigue resistance. By carefully monitoring how the cable performs under extreme flexing conditions, we can ensure that it meets and exceeds industry standards for reliability and longevity. Once the test is complete, we compare the final and initial resistance measurements to ensure no significant change. We then dissect the cable to inspect the jacket and condition of the conductor wires. The results of the rolling S-bend test help us refine our cable designs and select the best materials to extend the lifespan of our products. This means fewer failures, reduced maintenance costs, and greater operational efficiency for industries that rely on our high-flex cables. At Amphenol TPC, we push our cables beyond industry standards to provide reliable, high-performance solutions built for the toughest applications. The rolling S-bend tester is just one of the many ways we validate the performance of our cables.